From Jack and the Beanstalk by Carol Hart. Jack and Mom were poor. Jack sold Daisy for some beans. Mom was cross. A beanstalk grew. Jack climbed up and up. At the top, Jack found gold. But a giant found Jack. The giant was happy. He grew a beanstalk too. Mom was happy. It's your turn to read. Now, get a piece of paper to write your answer. You may pause the video if you need more time. Find the sentences in the story and write the missing words. Number 1. Jack and Mom were poorer. Number 2. Jack sold Daisy for some beans. Number 3. Jack climbed up and up. Number 4. At the top, Jack found gold. Answer these questions. Use the story to help you. Answer these questions. Use the story to help you. Number 1. Who did Jack sell? Daisy. Number 2. How did Mom feel when Jack got beans? Cross. Number 3. Who found Jack at the top of the beanstalk? Giant. The end. Did you enjoy the story? If you do, kindly click on the like, subscribe, and notification bell button to keep you updated on our latest videos.